Are you ready to transform your online presence from zero to professional with a website built entirely by you? Let's dive into Adobe Dreamweaver and kickstart your web development journey. Open Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document. This is your blank canvas, the foundation of your website. Dreamweaver offers amazing pre-designed templates. This is super helpful for beginners. Browse through the options, find a design that suits your style and vision for your website. Now for the fun part, customization. Click on the text and replace it with your own. Replace the images with your own. If you want a video, replace the images. Let's personalize your template, customize layouts, change colors, fonts, and even add your brand new logo. Remember, your website represents you. It's time to preview your website in a browser regularly. Check how your website looks on different devices. Be sure to make any adjustments to ensure it is user-friendly on screens and phones. When you're satisfied with your site, select Files, and then save your website files. Choose a folder on your computer, and the file name that shows a folder is important for website organization. So remember, congratulations, you've built a professional website in Dreamweaver. Now, go out there and share your website with the world. Now you have the power to develop a professional website. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.